Hello, my name is Ben, and on this YouTube channel I document my own print-on-demand journey. Today I'd like to talk about Flying Upload, the upload tool for print-on-demand of my choice. I like to use Flying Upload every day, pretty much. It's running every day, and I want to talk about it. I want to give you a tutorial, and I do this because it has been requested by a few people watching my channel, so thanks for that. Of course, I like to do these because they help you out. However, I shied away from it for a while because it really takes more time to do these how-to videos, and I'm quite short on time, running a print-on-demand business, working full-time, having a family, and so on. But I still would like to give you that overview here. I probably won't be able to show you every function, but that is because I don't use every function, but I use most of them. And what I will tell you is probably enough to get you started with Flying Upload and to basically do what I'm doing anyway with it. I think this video is important because not everybody is familiar with these upload tools. Many people are still uploading manually. I think looking from what I know now, after doing print on demand for pretty much 9 months, I wouldn't have been that persistent with print on demand had I not used this upload tool, and also I probably would have given up. And I'm very honest with you about that. I think this has kept me going. This has motivated me because it allowed me to upload more designs to more platforms, and it gives you a competitive edge because many print-on-demand sellers are not using these upload tools, but they also only make sense when you have several designs to upload every day or when you want to upload to various platforms. But let's start with having a look at the Flying Upload website, because this is where you can get an understanding of the different types of subscriptions. Because you don't buy it, you subscribe to them. But for me, I think it has paid back after just a month or a couple of months, which is, when I started using it in December 2020, I think 1 or 2 months later, I had a positive cash flow. Because obviously every month you have your print-on-demand royalties, your income, but you have to pay for the subscription. But since then, I've been in positive cash flow, and that is what you want in a business when you run a business. So that's the Flying Upload website. I have a link in the description with a discount code as well. The discount code in the description is higher than the discount that you would get on their website. So if you're interested at all in using Flying Upload, it would be great if you used that link and the code in the description. It's an affiliate link, of course, but I do these videos as well. So hopefully if they help you out, then it would just be great if you would use them as well. However, let's talk about that. You come to the website, you're on the home screen, you can have a quick look through, but all this here is just a description, and they show you as well that they have a research tool, which is Flying Research, which I use frequently when I make research videos on this channel. But if you scroll down, you find all the platforms that they support here, basically in one overview. So it is Amazon Merch, Displayed, Redbubble, KDP, Spreadshirt, Zazzle, Shirty, Printful, TeePublic, Fine Art America, Teespring, Society6, Tostadora, Threadless, and Printify. Few things to say about that. Merch by Amazon don't like upload tools at all. Flying Upload still support Merch by Amazon, and I sometimes use it to upload to Merch by Amazon, and the reason is without Flying Upload I would have difficulties to track what I have already uploaded to Flying Upload to Amazon Merch. As Flying Upload works a bit different to some other print-on-demand upload tools, in my opinion, it is safe to use for Amazon Merch, but eventually that's everybody's own decision. Because what Flying Upload essentially does, in contrast to some other upload tools, it's just a macro that is basically replicating what you do on your laptop. So it's not like, for example, OrbitKit, which is another upload tool, which sort of where you have to upload it like to the cloud and they sort it out with a different IP address. That is a bit suspicious, I think. That could be difficult from an Amazon Merch point of view, but as you just upload from your own laptop with just a macro that's running, my view is there is no risk. I haven't heard of anyone who had their Merch by Amazon account banned from using Flying Upload. However, there is always a risk, but you can get your account banned anyway for whatever other reason. So everybody has to decide that for themselves. Displayed, I have to say, you can't sign up at the moment because Displayed, they only accept new applicants. that if you have a design portfolio, and that needs to be a portfolio that works well with Displate's, yeah, let's say their style. So Displate, they have metal plates, pretty cool. I'm pretty annoyed I can't get on it anymore. I think up until one and a half or 2 years ago, you could just sign up, but because they are full, they don't let anyone in at the moment. But yeah, Redbubble, that's fine. KDP is a different tool, so they have a flying upload for print on demand, and they have a flying upload for KDP, and the reason is that they work differently. So if you're starting, I would start with print on demand. Then we've got Spreadshirt, Zazzle, Shirty, Printful Tee, Public Finance America. That's all fine. Teespring I haven't used for a while. I think it's not worth it. Society6, Printify, Tostadora, and Threadless, which also doesn't really generate any sales, to be honest, but that's just the nature of the website. Let's have a look at pricing. So if you're interested in getting started, you go to Store and you can go to Upload Print on Demand. As I said, there's also KDP, but the first thing that you can see, you can get a free version. You can use a free version, you know, for an unlimited period of time, but you get 150 uploads per month for all platforms they support. That's a good starting point. So when you're thinking about starting, maybe get the free version first. The free version gives you 150 uploads per month for all platforms. That is not 150 for each platform. That's 150 in total. So let's say you upload 150 to Zazzle, then you can't upload anything else to any other website. But you could upload, I don't know, 1 or 2 a day to the different platforms. But even then, I guess you get to the 150 pretty quickly. But it's just a good starting point for you to get familiar. Here you can see a code that you can use, 10%, but the link in the description and my discount code will give you 20%. There's a beginner version, a pro, and an advanced version. I use pro, that gives you the most, you know, best exposure to all platforms as well, and a trademark check as well. Or that gives you actually the trademark check for each. No, you get that on each of the different versions. For the beginner version, I have to say there's no discount available. I asked them that before. They don't offer that because the price is already quite low. What you can see here is the euro price, but dollar would be obviously different then, and the British pound price as well, depending on where you live, but that is euros here. So what you can see, the beginner version, if you're thinking about beginning, you have basically the 150 free uploads every month that you get in the free version as well. But on top of that, you get one platform unlimited uploads. So that could be according to your choice, Merch by Amazon, Spreadshirt, or Redbubble. If you're starting now, my advice would be use it for Redbubble. And the reason is that Merch by Amazon, in the beginning, you have a low tier limit anyway. You can't upload that much anyway, so you can do it manually. Spreadshirt, you need to get to the next star class anyway first, so it's not worth starting with Spreadshirt. But with Redbubble, that's worth doing because they have 60 upload slots per day. However, if you already have a higher star class on Spreadshirt, I would recommend starting on Spreadshirt. But then, yeah, these are the different things. What do you get now in the advanced version on top of the beginner version? Well, you get a tag generator, which I use sometimes. Then you get a profile template manager to create defaults for listings. To be honest, I'm not even using that. And a bulk listing copy, that's useful. I use that. Now, in the pro version, what do you get on top of that? Oh, by the way, in advanced, whereas in the beginner, you get only one platform unlimited. In advanced, you get three platforms unlimited. That's Merch, Redbubble, and Spreadshirt. But if you want to upload to all websites like Society6, Zazzle, Tostadora, Fine Art America, then you need to use the pro version, right? And then you get unlimited uploads to all platforms. Also a trademark checker, an upload manager, history. That's extremely useful, but you get that in every version. But the specific things that you get only the pro version are, yeah, all platforms. It's a keyword tool, not only tag generator, but a keyword tool as well. The listing import to MBA Spreadshirt, which I'm not doing, and that's pretty much it. But the main thing for the pro version is that you get access to all platforms. They also have specific tutorials on their channel for each platform, so they do have them in German and English. It's a German company, by the way, Flying Upload, and they have great support. I must admit, Their support is the best that I've ever seen across the board. They have a Discord channel as well. They're always there. You can ask them any questions. You don't need to send them an email. You just join their Discord. So really, really helpful. And they have tips and tricks videos as well. Lots of shortcuts here as well. That makes it even more efficient to use it. I haven't even had time to look through all of these. So I use Flying Upload my way. But I'm sure there are even better ways to use it. So that's the Flying Upload platform. You download the software. When you have subscribed, you can download it. There's a key for you to enter when you start the software that you get when you buy it. And then it basically checks for downloads. If there are any updates, it will update it automatically. If there are no updates available, you can just start straight away. You get into this main overview here. So you have to select your country. Then you can go to edit, which is where you will pull in new designs and add the descriptions and everything. And then there's the upload overview. These are all the platforms, and it gives you a great overview of all the uploads that you have already started and all the websites. So for me, currently, I've got 5 uploads running to different websites. I've stopped them for this video because it would just steal some performance of my laptop. But let's just add a new design. I'm going to show you how to do that. I've got these Halloween designs here now, and let's just use one of these. I'm going to show you how that works. Now, it doesn't matter which size the design has. These particular ones have, or the particular one that I've pulled in now has 4000 by 5000. That's not what I would normally use. I would normally resize it to 4500 by 5400, but I've just downloaded this straight from Creative Fabrica just to show you how Flying Upload works. And sometimes the design sizes are different, and you can resize it then in your design tool if you want to. But I'll just show you how that works. Trick and treat, pretty cool design, I think. For Halloween, of course, as I've done some Halloween videos very recently, what I normally do to start, first of all, I give it a title. That could be any title that you want. So the title could be Trick or Treat Halloween 2021 Pumpkin. That's pretty much it. You need to be aware that I always try to stick within 40 letters or digits. The reason for that is you can add more here in Flying Upload, but not all websites support longer titles. So the problem will be if you have a long title with like 50 or 60 letters, websites like, I think, Shirty and Spreadshirt will not allow that. So the problem that you then have, you created all these, if you have 100 designs in here, and you maybe copy paste it or whatever, and you have 100 designs now with that longer title, and then you want to go to your upload section and you upload them to all the websites, and you can't then, not to all websites, because Flying Upload won't upload them to all websites if these websites don't allow long titles. So that means you did all the work and you have an upload tool, but you can't upload to all the websites. So I normally stick with a title that's maximum 40 letters, because then I can just straight away to upload to all the websites, right? So my view is, if there is a restriction on a certain website for the length of a description or title, I try to keep it to the level that I can upload just to all websites. Hope that made sense. Description then, so I normally go with something like, add some fun to your Halloween wardrobe with this awesome design that is perfect for anyone who loves the spooky season. And I try to add, keywords already in the description. So like Halloween, spooky. It will also be a great gift for everyone who loves cool pumpkins. And I think the description, I normally stick with 250 letters. It's perfect for anyone who loves the spooky season. It will also be a great gift for everyone who loves cool pumpkins and who loves to celebrate Halloween. I think it's 250 because some websites don't allow more than 250. So we've got that. Looks really good. Description is done. and it would then upload them, this design to all the websites with just that title and that description. Next thing we have to do is the tags. So tags would be, normally I just go with, first of all, I always start with some common sense tags. So common sense for me would be Halloween 2021, cool, funny, because cool and funny I add, because these are the most searched for terms on Spreadshirt. So cool, funny, spooky season. And then what we can do, you go to keywords here, and I normally go for long keywords, Halloween, and they give you some additional ideas. Now these here are not trademark checked. There is a separate trademark checker that you can use that I, to be honest, not normally use here. But it's just to be aware. Oh yeah, Witches Day, so you can go with that. Halloween celebration. Dark Halloween meme, why not? Halloween do it yourself. Some don't make sense, but scary designs of Halloween. This is what people are looking for on various platforms. So scary Halloween designs, Halloween scary. And to be honest, there's some duplicates now, but that works better on some platforms and worse on some others. Lucky cats. Horror fans, why not? Funny scary, yeah. Baby bat, not sure. Pumpkin mouth, yes. Halloween ideas. And I think 15 is normally okay. You can add some more if you want to. So witch would be another one. Ghost, just because they have something to do with Halloween, not necessarily with this design. What you then do, you can select if this is for men, women, or children. In this case, I select all three of them. On some websites, then it will determine the. Some websites have that section to select, so that is important for some websites. Color, I normally go with black, so that is the color of the t-shirt or product that will be displayed on the thumbnail. So for example, it's when people scroll through Spreadshirt, you can select the color that you want to, or Redbubble, you select the color that you want your shirt or product to be displayed on. And in this case, it would be black. So that's fine. That's what I designed for anyway. And that's pretty much now ready for upload, right? That's how you create a design, put all the information in, and so on. So when I now go to upload, I want to show you one more thing. And what you can see here now in this folder, where when I started the video, I only had the designs, I now also have this file. That's an XML document. That document now has to be in the same folder always as the design, right? And this is, I think, unique to Flying Upload. They don't use Excel files to store all the data and information. And in my opinion, that helps with all the structuring and organization. Eventually, different people work different ways, but for me that works pretty well, because in that XML file, all the information of that particular design is now stored. So it obviously includes a link to the actual design, but it also includes the title, description, the tags, and all the settings that you selected for this particular design, right? That's all stored in the XML file. And that's a huge, huge advantage, because assuming that Flying Upload, for example, at one point add another website, you have all the information already filled out, and all you then have to do is just to click the button upload on that new website, and it uploads automatically all that information to the new website. If you used another uploader where that's not the case, you would have to enter all the information again probably, yeah, or use your Excel files to pull it in, and that could be a bit difficult. For me, that's perfect. It worked very well when they introduced Tostadora this year. I had all the information already with the designs, all the titles, descriptions already set, and I could just click on the upload button. What you have to do for Amazon, if you wanted to upload to Amazon, because the Amazon dashboard is a bit different and they have more settings, you have to do that separately for Amazon, right? But that's beyond the scope of this video. I won't go, because this could be so long. This could be an hour-long video or 2 hours to show you how you optimize the settings for each website. But as long as I recommend you don't start with Amazon straight away anyway. So this will be enough to get you started on Flying Upload, yeah? So this applies to all the websites. And then you can just go to your upload section, and you click upload, and it would now upload that to Shirty. There's another way if you have scalable designs. So let's say you would have a design, just simply speaking, that would say whatever, Halloween legends born in 1950. And then you might have 70 designs from 1950 to 2020. To add all these here manually would also take a long time. So what they have allowed for is that you can actually do that in Excel and then import the Excel file if you want to. You can do it manually in here, but if you have a series of designs that you might want to optimize with formulas, you can actually click import Excel and you can prepare that in Excel. And I'm going to just give you an idea of how that could look in Excel. So they give you a template that you can download from their website. That template has a structure that works for Flying Upload. So you would get that Excel file with an image path that you can put in, language, title, description, tags, type, color. So that's basically everything that I've just shown you that we manually added in Flying Upload. What you have to do then, if you have, let's say, 70 designs, you have to copy the path of your designs into the column A. You say what language you want to upload to, English, the title, you put the title in, the description, the tags, the type, the color. And if you use a formula then that, for example, here from 1951 to 2020, that adds the formula into the description here and everything, then that is so much more efficient. I mean, I can create that way. I can create the description and the information for all the designs, for 70 designs, in 5 minutes. Okay, so really easy. If you want a video on how to specifically do that for Excel and how to import scalable designs into Flying Upload, let me know in the comments, please. And I'm happy to do that, but that is long enough for a separate video. And also, I showed you how to add that information here for each design. What also you have to do, or what's helpful, as soon as it has uploaded one design to a platform, it will show you that here as a highlighted color. So these are all the circles that you can see on the right hand side. They are all the different websites that Flying Upload support. So as soon as it has uploaded to Redbubble, I will see a highlighted Redbubble logo here. That helps you to avoid duplicate uploads, because if you don't have a structure or an upload tool like that that would allow you to track that, you wouldn't know if you've uploaded already to Redbubble, and you could risk that you uploaded twice or 3 times to Redbubble. I don't know if that could lead to an account ban, but it would certainly not look very good in your shop. And also this information, which platform it has uploaded to, will also be stored here in the XML file. Okay, so that's helpful. What you then have to do before you upload to some platforms is you have to go into options, settings, and here under templates, there are, for some platforms, you have to add a template. That is very easy to do. I did some videos on how to do that for these platforms. Without any templates, you can start straight away to upload to Fine Art America, I believe. You can upload to Society 6, and you can upload to Shirty. I think for Redbubble you need a template. For Spreadshirt you need a template. For Tossidoro you need a template. But setting up, and for Zazzle as well, setting up a template is so easy. You can do that in minutes. But again, I already have videos for that. And they also, Flying Upload, I told you, they have tutorial videos as well. So their tutorial videos also show you how to set up these templates. But it's very easy. It is website specific, and that would just go beyond the scope of this video here. But it's just really the level of detail then. And yeah, it is very easy to do as well. That's very much it. There is an add-on section here where you can add, they have a $5, I believe it costs per month, possibility for you to subscribe to a capture service. So when you upload, for example, to Zazzle, you know, these captures come up where you have to select the images with cars and everything because they have these robot blockers in place. Now with the capture service of $5 per month, I think it's $5, might be a bit more now, you get around that, okay? I use that because I don't want to sit in front of the laptop after 5 uploads and click manually on the images. I did that, however, for 4 months and it works, but it just takes some of the manual work out of the process. But pretty much that is everything you need to get started with Flying Upload. It's a tool I can recommend. I've been recommending it since the beginning. I started to use some other upload tools as well, but I stopped to use them because they didn't work for me. I had problems with some of the websites like Society6 and Zazzle. It didn't really upload very well. And I'm talking about Merge Titans here. That didn't work for me. I also tried to use Lazy Merge. Maybe they have improved in the meantime. But because this one works for me, I stick with it. And I recommend, you use this tool that works for you. This one works here very well for me. I don't really like to use a lot of Excel databases, which is why I use Flying Upload. I think it's got a great dashboard, very user-friendly, great support, and you don't need to use Excel files if you don't like them to use them. I only use Excel if I create design series and scalable designs because the formulas within Excel allow me very efficiently to put the information in, and then I can just import it into Flying Upload. Yes, and that's fine. I also want to avoid duplicate uploads, and Flying Upload allows me to do that by showing me which design has already been uploaded to which website. And when you then still try to want to upload it to a website it has already been uploaded to, it will give you a warning. You can still upload it if you want to, but it will give you a warning and helps you to avoid duplicate uploads. So I think that video was now long enough. I hope you liked it. I hope it included everything you wanted to know about Flying Upload. If there are any additional questions, please let me know in the comments. Hope you liked the video. Let me know what you think about Flying Upload. And if you liked that video, click the like button and subscribe if you want to follow me on my print on demand journey. Thanks a lot for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.